Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You must be an administrator to change update behavior, so sign in now and save any open files. Once ready, open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Windows Update. This is where Update controls live. Make sure to click Advanced Options to reveal pause and delivery settings. This gives you immediate, fine-grained control rather than waiting for automatic installs. By starting here, you avoid reboot surprises and can apply temporary pauses or switch active hours before disabling long-term components. Once in Advanced Options, first use pause updates to stop downloads for up to 35 days. This is reversible and safe for short-term needs. If you need longer control, set your Wi-Fi network to metered. Windows treats it as limited and delays non-critical updates. For persistent, administrative changes, make group policy edits, Windows Pro/Enterprise, or registry changes, Home. These alter update services behavior. Be cautious. Permanent changes require care to keep security patches timely. To fully stop automatic updates, you can stop the Windows Update service. Open Services. MSC, find Windows Update, stop it, and set Startup Type to Disabled. Once done, also check Delivery Optimization and Bits and disable or set limits if needed. After making these changes, reboot to confirm Windows shows updates paused or disabled. If system health or security alerts appear, make sure to restore services and allow critical updates. And remember, disabling updates increases long-term risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.